Well, good morning. April 2nd. Happy birthday to Mom. This is how I find leaks on the system. This is a saddle, and this is the lateral line going up to each tree or each tap. Basically what I'm looking for is something that's moving too fast, in this case air. As you can see right here, it's not really pulling in the bottom and allowing it to. So therefore, sap isn't really being sucked because there's a leak in this line. As I try to create a well by pushing down the tube, it's just pulling air. So therefore, I need to walk up this line and find out which tree it could possibly be that is leaking. Possibly a dead tree. That's what I'm betting. I'm gonna pause. Well, I've arrived at the tree. There's two taps on this lateral, and as you can see, this one's pretty easy because there's only two. There's definitely fast moving little globs of sap, but mostly air moving through this line, which is a bad tree. And I believe it's this one right here. Matter of fact, I know it is, because if I come up here, there's the tap. If I come up here and try to create that same little well, you can see that air won't let that well collect here in this little trap, I guess. So yeah, it's this bad tap right here. So we're gonna pull that and try to retap. Pausing again.